Okay, here we go. How are you today? All of you awesomely crafty DIYer people. Let me tell you, I've just a teeny tiny story. Can I tell a teeny tiny story before we start?
Can't you tell a teeny tiny story?
So we live in the woods, right? And so there's animals everywhere, and we have raccoons that get in our trash like on the daily. We had a raccoon, guys. We're sitting last night on the sofa, and there's a raccoon that comes up to the door and puts its paws on the door.
It's a big glass door.
We ended up feeding it. It almost came in the house. We were going and it would like come back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shut up now and we'll get started. We'll just have some fun and we're gonna make some cute little blocks here. All right, so this is the stencil set, guys. We're gonna use the hen and the rooster today, but we're gonna add in one of my very own Mr. and Mrs. Icon Art stencil. We're gonna use the rooster and the hen, ladies and gents. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do our same thing that we did before. I'm gonna go to where I have a clean edge. We're gonna dip it. This is the Bungalow 47, the lamp post or the black paint. Get a little bit on there like that. And then we go around the edges, guys. Okay, I think those are good. Let's dry these up. Let's see, do I want to go this way? I might want to do this one with the mister because it's a little heavier and this one's a little more delicate. So we'll do the henny hen on this one. I think it'll be cute. So see, I think the only thing is this is going to bother me just a bit. The little space. Is that going to bother me? Okay, guys. Yes, I think that's going to work better. Like, I kind of wanted them under their butts. I thought that would be hilarious. I could do it like this and do some wraps at the top. I'm thinking I still like the butt idea, guys. I kind of like the poop idea. Yeah, I don't think okay. Maybe I almost think, well, I think we wrap, guys. What do you think? I'm thinking we do that and we wrap at the top. All right, let's do that. So we'll do her first. How about that? Okay, here, let's get our, ooh, is that the way it's supposed to look? I guess it is. Yeah, I might have lost a little of the face and the feet. I told you it was a little thick.
Some of the face.
You know what? I'm gonna do it again, guys. Let's see. I think it's gonna work because I.
Oh yeah, no, that works really well.
I don't know though. That looks funky. Okay, let me get this and we'll clean it. Okay, let's see how this one turned out. That one's good. This one's really good. Of course the ladybird had to be a problem, right? Okay, I'm gonna sip my coffee because that's stressful now. I'm all stressed out. It looks all right. We'll give it. All right, so let me dry them out here. Let me get them dry. The screen on this, because these are textile stencils, you can use them on wood too, like we're gonna do today. But the screen is a little bit bigger. So sometimes if your paste is thicker, you will see your screen, which doesn't bother me. I think it bothers other people, but it doesn't bother me. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Alright, so there we got the Mr. and we got the Mrs. We did it, guys. Okay, let me dry these and then we'll use our jute twine and we'll wrap it a few times. So anyways, okay, what do you guys think? I think it turned out cute. I think they're cute. But see, look at how they all look, really. It's a nice set. All right, you guys have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye now.